Hello everyone. Today in this video, we are going to see a few more important questions which will be beneficial for your upcoming examinations like Bank of Maharashtra AFO, Ibps Afo. Recently, Nabard examination is held, and RRB SO exam is also finished. Okay. If you have seen the question papers or of this memory-based question papers of this Nabard examination or RRB SO examination, then you must have seen that the at least 60 to 70%, or you can call it at 75% questions were from the basics of agricultures. Okay, then we can predict that for the upcoming examination like Ibps Afo or this Bank of Maharashtra AFO, there also this at least 70% questions will be from the basic sections. Okay, so just after seeing the pattern of the recent examinations, we are going to give you some questions which are not the same questions, but the questions which, the level of the questions or the pattern of the questions are the same. Okay, see, some questions are asked from the in previous video also I discussed that you have to remember the name of the various institutes and where they are located, also what is the establishment year, because at least one questions may be asked from in the examinations, and previously it has been asked also. Okay, here is one question like Central Institute of Medicinal and Aromatic Plant is located at Lucknow, New Delhi, Punjab, Assam, and Kerala. Then if you see, then if asked about the medicinal and aromatic plant, then it is located in Lucknow, that is in UP. Okay. Next question. Farmer First, which is initiative of ICAR, was launched in the year 2015, 2016, 2017, 2018, or 2019. See, Farmer First, it was, and this is the initiative of ICAR to just enhance the interaction between the farmers and the scientists. Okay, this will focus mainly on this interaction between the scientists with the farm condition and their problems. Okay, and it was launched in the year 2015. Okay, these were the two questions from the current sections, or you can say not from the static agricultures. Now I'll give few questions from the agronomy sections. Okay, see, I told you that from these sections also question was asked in the RRB SO. Okay, in which they were asking, they have asked the question regarding the measuring of the humidity, which instrument is used. Here also I've asked you one question, that which of the following instrument is used to measure transpiration? Porometer, photometer, anemometer, heliograph, barometer. Then if you talk about the transpiration, then it's a photometer. If you talk about the porometer, then porometer is used for measuring stomatal behavior. Okay, when you talk about the anemometer, then it is used for the wind velocity. Okay, now like this you have to remember the name of various instrument and for what they are used. Okay, now we'll move to the next questions. Cultivation of brinjal started in which year? Means when it was started? 1500 AD, 1600 AD, 2900 BC, 2300 BC, 3400 BC. Once question was asked when papaya was introduced. Okay, means from this section is also important. Then if you talk about the cultivation of brinjal, then it was started in 1500 AD. Brinjal, pomegranate, orange, their cultivation started in 1500 AD. Potato, tomato, pineapple, tobacco, they have started in 1600 AD. Okay, what happened in 2900 BC? This was in that case 29 BC plug was invented. Okay, irrigated farming started. Okay, next, which of the following is known as bioenergy plant? Okay, now options are cotton, JATROPA, potato, jute, and none. Then you must, it is clear from the options that the bioenergy plant, JATROPA, is known as the bioenergy plant. Cotton, if you talk about the cotton, that is white gold. Okay, when you talk about the potato, that is poor man's friend. When you talk about the jute, it is golden fiber. Okay, now this is from the agronomic practices. Looping term is related to I think this is very important sections because many times questions are asked from these sections regarding the various agronomic practices. Okay, here question is regarding the looping. Then it is related to this first option is sugar beet, lucerene, tobacco, maize, cotton. Then if you talk about the looping, then looping, what do you mean by looping? This is the removal of the top branches in fodder. Okay, and in option we have only one case option in this fodder, that is lucerene. Okay, next, flowering and ball formation is sensitive stage of irrigation in which crop? Castor, cotton, wheat, maize, and rice. Okay, then see, if you see from the questions, here it is ball formation. In question it is clearly written regarding the ball formation. Okay, and in cotton ball is formed, it means the flowering and ball formation will be the critical stage for irrigation in cotton. Okay, panicle initiation stage is critical in case of rice, CRI in case of wheat. Okay, so you have to focus on the critical stage of for irrigation in various crops also. Next question, what range of relative humidity is suitable for most crops? 20 to 30%, 40 to 60%, 60 to 80%, less than 10%, more than 90%. Then okay, then if you see the for this 40 to 60% range of relative humidity is suitable for most of the crops. Okay, now our next question. Okay, you can option answer in the options. And then what range of wind velocity is suitable for most of the crops? Okay, next is which of the following is low to medium water sensitive crop? Options are citrus, cotton, banana, rice, wheat. Then if you to see, there are low to medium, medium to high. Suppose banana is high sensitive to water. Okay, this what highly water sensitive crop, this banana. Medium to high, if we talk, then like citrus is medium to high. And when you talk about low to medium, then it is cotton. Daughter is objectionable weed of. Okay, first thing, objectionable weeds means are those weeds which are very difficult to separate once they are mixed with the crop seeds. They are called objectionable weed. Okay, but objectionable weed is the name giving the daughter, that is cascata, is objectionable weed of wheat, lucerene, mustard, maize, or all. Then it is the objectionable weed of lucerene. Okay. Thank you. See you in next video.